From one of the finest luxury watchmakers of all time comes this Cartier Demoiselle, a gently pre-owned luxury watch. Smooth and radiant, this crisp golden timepiece is sure to stand out in a crowd. This gilded timepiece features a case, crown, lugs, bezel, and backplate made of 18-karat yellow gold. The bezel and lugs are covered with stunning original diamonds, and the crown is also fitted with one of these precious stones. This watch adds a gorgeous glimmer to the wrist. Protected within the 26mm wide without the crowned case is an off-white dial featuring blue hands that point to black Roman numeral hour markers, all powered by a quartz movement. This is without a doubt an exquisite, sparkling, time-telling piece of fine jewelry. "300 watches, infinite possibilities."